What the heck, bro? Chicken just hello, bro. Clicked on notification in 2 seconds. Blender time! It's blender time. Not even joking. No joke. Yeah, I'm so bored, dude. I'm so bored. There's nothing to do in the game but to grind gear. It's literally skin shit all over again. Like you grind those stuff until you max and then move on to another one. So boring. Like I can't be bothered. Instead, we're gonna do some Blender stuff. Oh, like I said, okay. Just woke up. Okay. What time even is it? Damn, it's 2 a.m. for me. You woke up early. I napped after work, so I'm like half asleep still. Okay, so where is what? Blender folder. Yes. I only ported only one file so far. And I put it in the game, it looks okay. Like, it was the power pole. Actually, this is like the second tier power pole. I ported it to the game, it looks kind of fine, so I'm just gonna keep going. I also kind of want to figure out like how to make the lights or like glow stuff, make it look better. Like my plan is to just overhaul the entire game with Enfield stuff, because otherwise the style does not fit at all. Because you know Factorio buildings look so different. Like this is just pure futuristic. Like futuristic stuff, and then Factorio buildings are just, how do I say, it's very like industrial, kind of steampunk type. But yeah. But big problem I found today is that the power poles don't support animations at all, and in the game they kind of have like some animations like these blocks kind of randomly rotate. I don't think it's that important, so it's like whatever. Here's but yeah, but there's like some kind of green glow coming from the center. I need to figure out how to do it. All right, let me fix the model. Not already fixed the model, but import another one. This I export another one. No. I'm gonna like complete make an overhaul mod, which is like not just replacing, but most things are just gonna be made from ground up. You know, I just closed the game. Fuck, but it's a separate. It's like a complete separate system, I guess. That's my plan. Because again, it's like a reskin is too boring, and a lot of things don't even fit because Factorio recipes mostly are made in assemblers, right? And then they're like a built-in assembly machine, different assembly machine in Enfield for some reason. I don't know if it's a good thing or not. Like, let see. They also have plenty of different turrets. Like quite a lot different turrets, honestly. But yeah. I only yoinked this one so far. The rest are pretty easy to extract, but the thing is the what's it called? The tools I'm using it to extract models They don't support animation yet. Yeah, I'm gonna fill in the gaps, like just add more random crap to it. Might copy something from Factorio or like space exploration whatsoever. Okay. Copy from big mods. I don't know. Adding more recipes isn't hard, but the hard part is to keep it like interesting and feel satisfying to play because you unlock other tech and progress. Like Enfield, there's no progression. The end game is just people trying to fit as much production in the same area. I mean, it is a okay goal. There is a mod in Factorio called Ribbon World, which is like you're limited to a very small area to build. You need to build compact, that kind of stuff. But it's not very like mainstream because being space constrained is kind of boring. Oh yeah, I also wanted to fix the glow because the shading did not work, or I didn't set it correctly. I swear I'm gonna do this. Also, I'm Blender noob. I'm just like I don't remember half the controls on my middle click button is broken. Very cool. Alright, so there's supposed to be some green glow on this part in the center. But I saw that there is a glow map. I did plug it in, but oh wait. I think I know. Okay. This texture might be packed with different stuff. Okay, so the RGB channels have different things that I don't really understand. This part is in all three channels. What? I'm gonna guess that when they glow or when there's like emission colors, factory games are niche. I mean, it's getting some traction. Definitely not from this game. It is kind of okay. You learn from scratch right now, GG. Well, it just depends on how the game packed the texture, right? So I'm gonna fix it or attempt to fix it. I'm guessing if I have to guess, the RGB channels are just correspond to different glow. So you give it like two colors and then make it glow different. Okay. I did plug into emission. Oh, emission strength is 0. Okay. I'll make it 1. Okay, I see. I see. 2. Alright, I know that in game this part is actually green. So I don't know why they have 3 channels, but let's just break it. Separate color. And then the red channel, which is multiply, is color. If I gave it the green, okay, I think this might be the wrong multiply. It's not the vector multiply. Okay. Does this work? No. Okay, it works. Yeah, the game is kind of like this greenish, a bit brighter. I don't know, let me get a reference shot. Where is the reference shot? Okay, reference shot looks like this. I think it is a little bit brighter. Strength 5. Still looks not so green. They might have some post processing to make it like a little bit more saturated. Switch to this one. My computer is dying. Hello. The fuck? Did I not change? Okay. Cycles. New. Okay. Okay, definitely reduce those. I think 256 samples enough. Oh, my computer's dying. What is going on? Never mind. 16. Denoise it? Sure. Looks. You're not as bright. Maybe the glow is really that much. I can't really see if it's that much in the game. Whatever, I think it's close enough. It's close enough. It's more glow. I don't know. I think it's a little bit too much. Actually, you might be right. I think we need a little bit more like saturated somehow. Okay. I'm just eyeballing this. Oops. Yeah, I think it's pretty close. I didn't check in game what is the secondary glow for like the other score, like this little blue score. Maybe I should open the game and check. The computer is actually gonna explode if I do open the game though. Color picker could work, but the shading is gonna make it like different because of the materials and shit. I think eyeballing just worked the best. Are you joking? Okay, can't really tell the difference. I think this is fine. Do we even need anything else? Oh yeah, I don't know where to find the thing in the center. Might just make a texture. AI generated texture in the center. Just kidding. I put a plane in the center and call it a day. Okay, why am I editing the PowerPoint 1? This is supposed to be the other one, but whatever. By the way, you know why this game is so optimized? Look at how many polygons there is. Not much. Like, how do I check edit mode? Yeah, look, this is the one with the most detail. This is the model with the most detail, by the way. Kind of funny. It's good that they baked everything to the normal maps, so it looks more detailed. Like the ledges and those detailed dents and shit, it's all baked to normal maps, so and it's pretty good. That's why it runs on mobile, I guess. Anyways, I need to figure out how to render glow into another texture. What mod am I doing? Just porting Enfield into Factorio, but for the actual mod, I'm really working on it, like the recipes and stuff. I think I'm gonna just copy the basic ones from Enfield, but definitely gonna come up more stuff because Enfield recipes are so basic. It's literally just, I think it goes up to super early blue science. That's about it. Or Enfield. That's literally Factorio Trail or something. I don't know, probably even less. Okay, I'm really curious about this blue square now. I'm gonna open the game. I'm gonna open the game and explode my computer. Because I have the file extraction tool on, and that tool, like whoever coded it just does not care about RAM at all. They read all the game files into RAM and just let it sit there, and when you extract it, it just eats like 1 billion RAM for no reason. Like it was taking 50 gigabytes. It was taking 50 gigabyte RAM. How am I gonna afford it if the OS doesn't support that much swap? Hold up. Gotta pause the music. Where's that fact? Alright, let me make this windowed so I can tap in and check. Where is it? Resolution. We're gonna make it just 180p. Okay, here we go. Okay, all right. Check this thing. Yeah, you see those blocks that actually rotate? The editor doesn't support animations right now, so it's kind of sad. But again, I think these are actual like skeletal animations. It's not like there's a script to control individual parts. I can tell when it rotates, it's like 30 FPS or something like that. Definitely not 120. Okay, so where is the little score? Do I need to interact with this? I don't know. I don't know what's blue score for. Yeah, it's like a bone controlled skeleton. Mm, whatever. I think this is good enough. We just ignore whatever the blue score is. It might be for something else. Might not be for emission. Okay, let's try to render it to the game, or at least FBX. Okay. How you going back to sleep? Good night, bro. I want to go back to sleep already. Like I spent 10 hours yesterday trying to figure out how it works because I never done it before. What do you mean FPX legacy? Oh come on, why is the material not there? What? I didn't click other when I exported, didn't I? Did I just not save it? Oh, never mind. I I actually didn't save it. What the what? Yeah, actually just never mind. It's in powerful one. Let's just like copy paste this entire thing or no? Mesh and other. What? What? Why is the material not working? What? Am I stupid? Um, here's the material. It's just a pendant. Okay. I see. Blender noob moment. Wow. Wait. See, I can just do this and convert V. Yo, that shit. That's kind of crazy. Okay, but the material is not right. Or is it? Alright. Okay, here we go. That is so green. What the heck? That looks quite different. Okay, this is actually a lot closer. Slightly more green, I think. Alright, just need to see how to render it to a separate target now. Compositing. Not color mask. I think it's light. Why is there no other layers? Why is the shadow so off? Oh wait, because the ground is off. No wonder I had to pick. No wonder I had to piece it together and the mod. Whatever. Okay, let me check the tutorial again to see how to render it to a separate map. Where is this write to disk? Is it writing to? Blender folder or like? Definitely not here. I don't see the render file. What? not enabled? Oh, of course. Okay. Muted. Try it. Oh, there it is. I see. Wow, nothing in it. Crazy. I think I need to add something to that group. Yeah, let's I think I can copy the entire mesh into here, and then I just don't render the base one and render this. Try again. Can't see anything. Does this even work? Exclude from layer. Okay. I need to exclude normal from view layer. How does it work? Let me check the original tutorial file, I guess. Okay, so when they have lights on, they have those things glow. This thing should have emission. Okay, it does. So if I don't have these two light, and I render it, Should it have anything? Wait, it does work here. What? The mask is working. Why does it not work? Am I saying? Wait, I think I need to separate the mesh or something. Bro, what is my GPU doing? Okay. Okay, so you need to separate those mesh for it to work. Does the base runner just not even have it then? Base runner still have it. That's a weird setup. So I need to carve out those bases into a new object. Yep, I see. So the model needs to be in different layers. I mean different objects. Uh, Oops. It's just these. Where is it? Here. Are these even in the object? Why is the lighting wrong? What? What? Oh, what are you? What did I do? Oh, I unchecked the area light. Okay. Area light. Oh. What the heck? What? Because of X-ray? Oh, it's right, X-ray. Why is the shading weird in this report? I need Blender Coach. I need Blender Coach. This is not it. What happened to my viewport? Oh. Okay, I don't know why it was on that. Okay, so I just need to grab these part out of it. How about the top? Looks simple. what I click. Why do I have 6 viewers out of nowhere? How do I use Blender? Come on, anyone help. I think the tool wants me to separate some vertices into another geometry. But I don't know what I clicked. What did I click? Now I can't even select the vertices. What the heck? Oh, now okay, now it's back to edit mode. Okay, I don't know. I don't know what happened there. It has been in edit mode. Okay, it's you do select the faces. Oh my god, no. What the heck? What? I think there's these. I think I should select the faces and then dupe them into. I think this. Ooh, like 3. I actually don't know. What's a convenient way of doing this? Okay, this might be all I need. Separate into a new map. Okay. They'll look the same. looks the same. It's different power, surely. Oh, it is. Okay. Let's move those two lights on. And the render likes it or not. Okay, render works. They actually save a file though. No, it's what the heck? It isn't working. Am I blind? I hate File Explorer. Why is it still black? Do I need to give it like a group? Object. Oh, it doesn't have a light group. Lights. Okay. Rory. Rory works now. Hooray! It's on top! Why is only the top section work? What? Wait, I didn't need to separate that part at all. Or what? Oh, why is the top in here then? Why is the top part being rendered now? It wasn't even there before. Did I just have to put it? Oh, I think I know. I just didn't put it in the right light group. Go emote. I need to separate this. Didn't need to separate it at all. I just didn't give the right group. Okay, let's try again. Wow. Wonderful. Looks like it worked. Sound crazy? Didn't even need to do anything but to put it in a separate group. Holy, look at that. That's quite good. Reduced, I don't think we need to reduce anything. Just like smaller file size. 30 kilobyte. Oh, same size. Okay, I think we just need to render light A, which is or like the normal light, right? The light. I didn't give file name at all. call it temp. Output one. Okay. Delete these. Okay. Bad. Okay, I have to rename them anyways. But 4 light 5. You know what? Maybe I should mute these. Light 2. Camera. $45. Under. Can I just do this? Okay, 80 degrees. One second. Okay. Need more water, but lights 3. $135 under it. Light 4. I just realized I need the base render as well. Fuck. Stupid. Oh well. Do again. Temp. The base. Wait, but the base does not need the glowing part, I think. Or it does. I think it does. Because the examples they gave is render object. Oh, never mind. Wait, did it have it or no? Uh-oh. That's not good. Take a closer look. Oh. It looks like it's just normal material without the glow. So our old textures should just work because it's like additive to the base color anyways. I don't know if it's gonna actually look the same as when you add them together, but it should work. Whatever. I don't need this, or do I think base just have emission disabled. Now let me compare with my other renders. Okay, it looks almost identical. I would just take this, I guess. And then they have a Python script to do the RGB conversion. Okay. And then the sprite sheet. Okay. Copy it over. Copy the mod folder. So many folders. Factorio. Okay. And then we add another layer. Light. I don't know how it works. Draw as... I don't think it's draw as light. I think it's a blend additive. Let me ask ChatGPT. Wait, how do you draw a glow layer? Or maybe I can just make it draw as light. Does it matter? I mean, we can just try. Draw as light, true. See if the game is happy about it. Okay, works. Moment of truth. Oh, is it working? I don't see the light at all. Does it need to be night? Oh, I think it works. Hey, why is my cursor like bright? I think it's just not bright enough. Or we need the actual dark mod for the glow to be noticeable. Or maybe there's a parameter to set it. Doc. Rotated. Pictures. Oh. Oh, hello. We did draw as light. Please light. Draws first as a normal, right? Then again as light layer post. Oh. Wait, I see. It needs to be draw as glow. Oh, that is not quite right. Additive. Blend mode, additive. Okay. Not quite right. Wow, look at that. That is awesome. Okay. Time of day. Yo, that's lit. All right, got the glow working, I guess. Okay, what else now? Gonna make the other power pole, I guess. Power pole 1. Okay, okay. Oh wait, I didn't save. I didn't save. Oops. Also, I think this one's outdated. This one doesn't have the glow. Have the glow. Okay, this one can go live, and this one is supposed to be 2. Do I even need a separate file? Oh no. Okay, this is very powerful. That looks a little bit different. Bit of material. Okay, I think I should set up the material stuff in another file instead of this. And delete it. If I add another object, and if I delete this one, does the material still here or no? Oh, it is still here. How's it going? We're up here. We're just porting. We're porting end field into Factorio basically, but the I'm just beginner modder here. I don't know much about modding and Blender, so just following some tutorials. Try to duplicate this material. I think I can still change the file without changing the material. Is there like material instance in here in Blender? I don't know. I think it's whatever. Yeah, the image. It's this one for diffuse. Oh, that's the glow. Okay. This one is. This one is the material. This one is base color, I think. And that one is normal map. Okay, there we go. Fixed it. Looks decent. Oh, I didn't know it had green lights. What? The top as well? Oh, I didn't give it the color to it. What's the glow map look like? Okay, it's all white. So you just have one channel. Oh, never mind. All three are the same. All three are the same. Okay, let's open the game and take a look. Okay, I think I just need to yoink this yellow. Looks pretty simple. The top as well. What am I looking at? Actually, what is Wolfguard doing? He's just our NPC is so dumb. Wow, that's pretty impressive foot IK right here. He's resting his foot on the power cable. Okay. I need the screenshot. I need the screenshot from the game. Okay, so the glow is on the base and it's also on some lights. Nice. I'm just playing Arknights infield. True. I might just go back to play it. Just kidding. There's nothing to do. Really nothing to do. Alright, let's see the color. Color picker. I'm too lazy. I'm actually feeling so lazy. Okay, not quite right, but wait, we're missing the bottom thing. Oh no, we're missing the ring at the bottom. Oh, what? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold up. No wonder why I felt something was missing. We need to find the model again in the asset. I have to render the base color. And the other one, probably the shadows. Do I really need the circle at the bottom then? I feel like it looks fine right now, but with the circle it looks a bit more natural. Let's see if the asset parser can get it. Taking 10 years to load. What do we just make it rainbow? It needs to be a little bit more yellow. Yes. Okay, does this base show all the time? I think it does. That's why the model is a little bit lifted up. Well, guess it's time to re-render everything again. Oh no. Because I forgot about the base. Yeah, well. It's all cooked. Wow, daily. Can't believe the daily reset already. Why are there so many notifications? There's... What? Oh, right here. Limited. Oh, it's my stamina. Okay, who cares? Who cares? I'm not even playing this. This is a texture 2D. What did I load? Load the mesh. Is the other one... The other have the same bottom or no? Wait, I'm confused. Did I load the wrong asset? This should be part of the model, right? Why is it not in the file? Did I load the wrong mod? Did the other one have it? No, the other one doesn't have the bottom thing either. What? I'm just missing a model somewhere. Is it even in the base color? What window was that? Huh? What the heck? Okay, they're reusing. Okay, they're reusing some UVs. Oh, so this part must be for the bottom. Okay. But it is in the texture. It is using the same texture. I just need to find a model. I can't believe it didn't put the same model. Hmm. And I don't know the name in the asset registry. I think in the files they call it pedestral. That's what mod is it for? Enfield. I'm just trying to make a new mod to port this game, the weeb shit game, where you can't really build anything but like a tiny factory, and then port it to Factorio, I guess, and then make more recipes and everything. But it's actually a lot of work porting the models and stuff. I'm slightly overwhelmed as a beginner. Never done modding before. Okay, so in the assets, I can't tell what these are. Dynamic, or actually, yeah, dynamic mod 1. No? Okay, it's not hub. I don't think it's the hub. Interactive. I don't think it's any of these, but wait, is my it? Sin. Okay, it's not. Let's load and see what is it. Yeah, I wanted to make Enfield in Factorio. Okay, the current progress is just porting the models. I can show you the only building I ported, and then I realized I'm missing a part in the model. Like I only ported the woolen power pose. It looks kind of okay. And there was also light on it. Kind of decent. Oh yeah. Oh, my computer is exploding. Holy crap. Yeah, this program just used quite a lot of memory. I think I need more RAM, but I can't afford. Who's gonna buy me some RAM in 2026? Also, Windows probably. Never mind. Windows is not chilling. Okay, it has been loaded. I hope it's the right one. Nope, this is for hub. This thing is for the hub. How do I find the tray for the for the thing? How do I find this tray? How big is it? Maybe it's like a 3x3 thing and then I search for it. It is a 3x3. Okay, let's search for 3x3, I guess. Wait, but it's gonna be the round one. I mean the square one, right? 03x03. Maybe. There's a 048, there's a 05. Dynamic log 1 0. It should be 0. Just load all of them. Oops. Surely one of them is the tray, right? Is it done? What is? Oh, wait. Is that actually it? I don't think so. It is round, right? Or is it? Yeah, it's a round thing. Wait, this is it. We found it. We found it. Okay, but which one is this? I don't think there's like a big circle in the center. Oh, there is. Okay, I can tell which one is which. Well, texture mapping? Animation? No. I ported the models already. I put it in the game, and then I look at Enfield. I realize all the power poles are missing this circle thing at the bottom. Because I was like, wait a minute, there's a big yellow glow. I was trying to verify my glow is working, right? And then I look at the bottom tray, and then I realize it's Blender. It doesn't have it. It's a separate model, and I was trying to find it. But at least we found it. I'm just trying to make sure it's the right one. I mean, we just dump all these into objects files and okay, and then we throw in Blender. See what happens. Which one is which? Okay, I think it's this one, or this one has a slight side panel. I see. This one does not have it. Checking game. Does it have any side panels? I don't think it has. Nope. So it's probably this one, the most basic one. Oh, this one is for the pylons, I think I know. Yeah, that's just looks smaller. not as thick. Double check. Double check. The pylons are slightly smaller, or it might be for the zipline towers. Jesus, what the heck? Did they just shove all these into my inventory? Put it back. Do I have a pylon? Two. Okay. Wait a minute. Never mind. This one is the pylon. Like, the support does not extrude that much. And the other one is for, like, yeah, this one must be for the power line. Okay, but why are some variant have the side panel? Is it because the wooden version is different? Could be. Can I just place it here? Wait, I can. Never mind. Facility is region locked. What a shit game. Can you imagine just unlocking a new thing and you can only place it in a new region? Ah, this game is just full of bad designs. That's why we need to port it. Okay. Wait, I think the bottom is literally the same. It's actually just the same. In the same color. Oops, there's one right here, but yeah, I think the bottom is like exactly the same. Same glow as well. I can't believe the bottom is not green. Should we fix it? Should we fix the bottom to be green? Bro, the animation on this is actually so simple that I don't even need to export. I'm just gonna animate it myself. Maybe these are as well. Like, I don't think it's that complicated, right? Like these fins slightly moving. Oh, and some fire going on. Why is the fire looking so weird? I think it's just a plain, like a flat texture inside. Yeah, I think these animations are quite simple. Not too much going on. Like, yeah. Okay, this one might be a little bit complicated. Wait a minute. Are these actually models inside or are they just... Oh, they are models. Nice. Can't wait to figure out how to put different plant models inside the seed picking unit. That's gonna be kind of complicated. Alright. Whatever. Go back to the base. I feel like this bottom part is not even needed. Not too sure. Should I keep it? Should I actually keep it? Turn off the music. I'm not gonna lie, the color looks kind of weird with the green glow. And if we keep trays for the power lines, we're gonna need to keep the trays for like literally everything. I'm thinking. thinking, not gonna lie, these stuff are kind of ugly with this bottom tray. It's not like I'm gonna actually use these in Factorio because the engine doesn't support this kind of belt, I believe. Like you can do input loaders. No, you can't do input loaders. You can do output loaders. Thinking. Why is it? Okay. Getting sidetracked again. Wow. Holy. Cannot purchase. Wonderful. Do my weeklies. We'll become playing infield again. Okay. I think we just ignore the bottom tray. I'm not bothered. It looks kind of ugly as well. It does look kind of ugly. And this pipe is the worst thing ever. It's just like, where is it even connected? The water is teleport. Water gets teleported somewhere. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna rework some of the pipe connections. Like this is this is actual bullshit. Actual bullshit connections. Like they can't even bother to make like a pipe connection at the bottom or something. I can definitely find someone on Fiverr to do these assets for me. Like this is not complicated at all. Whatever, enough yapping. Just save this. I think the model looks fine. Did I get the glow? Yeah, I got the glow. I think this is done. Maybe the lighting's where I'm gonna fix another file. Gonna open. What the? What? Why is the orientation like complete wrong? What? The heck? What? Can't be real. This shit can't be real. What? Oh, it's a view. Okay. I think this one also rotated 90 degrees, so. Yeah, I just can do this. Control C, Control V. Oops. Alright, ChatGPT better answer me how to copy all the transform. select the source object. See? I don't think that's how it works. So that's not how it works. ChatGPT is so useless. Copy transform to another object. What in the world is under 2 years ago, but the UI looks like 10 years ago? No. Transform panel. Where is transform panel? Sure. Yeah. Any Blender Pro? Nope. Are you still here? Tell me how to copy transform from one object to another. I'm too lazy to need to learn this. You need to learn all the shortcut. Copy attribute menu at all. What? Do I just hover transform and then Control C and Control V to another thing? No. 2-minute video. Alright, Blender tutorial. Okay, of course it's an add-on. Why is it not enabled by default? Why? Copy. Jeez. Why is it not? Get extension. Copy attribute menu. This is the one. Why is this not building? Guessing this is the extension. Okay, surely it's gonna work. You don't fucking know, bro. Control C. Oh, it works. It works. Alright. Copy. There's no copy transform. Doc? I have to click 3 buttons? Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright. Problem solved. Deleting this one. Alright. Not too bad. Throw it in here. Check camera. Looks fine to me, I think. We can just render this now, right? Also render the lights, maybe. Compositing. I need to write a script. There's like 20 extra buildings that need the exact same procedure, and I'm gonna like rename the file manually again, and then oh, I hate them. But coding the pipeline is also gonna kill me. I'm definitely not built for it. Not built for an artist, that's for sure. Okay, this is how we do it. Why is the music stopped though? Okay, I think we're good. We're cooking. We're cooking the texture. Okay, what's the folder? Base color, light color, shadow. That's not quite right. I forget something. I didn't even copy. I didn't even copy it. The groove. Render. Somehow the lights look kind of off. Did I mess something up? Didn't change the sun direction, right? I don't think I changed the sun direction. No, I did not change the sun direction. Whatever. I think I might be just tripping. That it looks slightly different. Wait, it is different. What? Oh, I think I know. because they're overlapping each other. That's why I need to separate the mesh, but I'm too lazy. And well, I just render the base color. This one. Okay, yeah, the colors look correct now. Okay. Ace 1. What? Not 90 degree. 5. And then this ultra wide monitor. Hmm. 90 degree. Wait, I just realized something. Fuck! I shouldn't have emission in the base color. What am I doing? Ay. Re-render. Brain damage. Absolute brain damage. I really need to write a script to automate this. This manually doing it so slow. Actually taking 10 years. Okay. What the fuck? Huh? What? What? Oh. 20 emission. 0. Wait, I think this is the correct color, right? Like, oh, but the emission is disabled for base color rendering anyways. Don't even worry about it. Yeah, it's identical. Okay, I didn't need to do this. I didn't need to worry about it. He's 135. Okay, base color rendered. Just need the light now. Why does this model look better than the upgraded one? Hey, the heck did I just change. Light 3. Okay, light 4. Alright, need the shadow pass now, but well, I think I have an idea. Just have 2 cameras set up. One is for I'm gonna have to align it again. At least having just one file is a lot easier. So much easier. Oh, but I remembered I had to move something around. Maybe not. Camera number 2. No, did I just copy pasted everything? What? I didn't. Heck. Because the Control C, Control V tension. Probably. No. This is. Oh, it copied the entire scene. Can I have. How do I have multi camera setup? Google Blender multi camera setup. Why does it panic so hard when I just try to paste the camera? Fuck. Must be the extension or something. Ah, it's annoying. You know what? It's gonna do copy. Just gonna do a copy of the file right now. Okay, shadow, and then we move the camera to match the other one. I think my brain is shrinking. This is the definition of how to work stupid. I just open our Blender. Yeah, I did move it. Just gonna copy manually at this point. Copy the camera settings. Four 160 pixel. Camera transform. Okay, I think it's matching the other file. Need to fix the ground. Ground spread. What the heck? Okay. What? Oh, big enough. 44 meters. There we go. The dirt is back. Oh. Excellent. Wait, it's good. It is good. I think I should just manually save it, like. Too much work to move it. And Blender file system feels better than Windows, not gonna lie. Call it Shadow 1. Control 2. Shadow 3, and we're done. Okay. It might be done. It might be done. Did I not copy the copy it like? Okay, I think we're fine. I need the icon. Yeah, full piece. 64. Okay, you can just put in the mod folder already. Oh. All right, define the entity. Pretty much the same thing, I think. Yeah, I don't need to touch any of the connection points. Fix the image. Pretty much the same thing. Is that it? I think that's pretty much it. I'm only missing one funny part of it. It's the auto connection. Yep. Zero, because we need to replicate infield where you put down the power pole and there's no connection. All right. Let's see if it loads. My bet is it's not loading. What the fuck? First try. First try. It works. No way. Alright. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Unknown key. Oh, I didn't give it a name. It's not iron? I don't know what its name is, Fred. This is like normal relay tower. Xenorite relay. Okay, let's fix the name. My infield just crashed. Probably out of RAM. Cool. Yeah, I think I need to buy like 10 extra sticks for this. So I can have 2 Blender, 1 Decode, and Factorio, and some Python script, everything open, and streaming at the same time, and then having 10 Chrome tabs open. Okay. Relay tower. Wow, look at that. Holy. Alright. As expected, there's no wire. We need to connect it by hand. Oh, perfect. This is perfect. The intended infield gameplay. Where you put down the towers and then you manually connect it. Oh my god. Now we're cooking too hard. This is gonna be a huge tech upgrade when you unlock these green ones. Who decided like this? Alright. This is just too funny. Oh, this is perfect. Shadow correct? I think the shadow is correct. Yeah. Alright, I'm calling it a success. What else to do today? I mean, there's like, how many more entities to port? Oh my god, no. I think I'll try to figure out the belt graphics next. Because default Factorio belt pieces are insanely complicated. Like, you're fine. Transport belt. Yep. Oh, it is space age. I mean, it's okay. I think if I want to modify the belt graphics, it's gonna be really hard. Cause like, what the fuck is this? What the heck is this? I do not know how this thing works at all. I know all the belt reskins out there are like. Actually, this is not too complicated. I think this is just one piece and it's animating. Like, and then yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 straight, 4 corners. Actually, 8 corners because yes. And there's some like loaders. Can I even pan it? Oh, I see. The connector, the belt end needs some kind of graphics. Aha. I see. So it's not that complicated. Just gotta make sure they all connect. And animated was this look in end field. Maybe I just have one layer and make it glow. That might just work. So it's not too expensive to draw 2 villain belts. Okay, I'm now wondering if there is a belt reskin mod out there, because the end-filled pipes looks, not belt reskin, pipe reskin mod, because the pipes looks pretty different. Looks mostly transparent. I think there should be. Research. Is there a mod that reskin pipes to be mostly transparent? These water-coated pipes. Search on mod. Factorio mod portal. Pipe reskin. Wait. Oh, pipe plus. Wait a minute, this is perfect. This is actually perfect for it. Because we have these weird type of pipes in infill that's not in vanilla. Damn, there's not a single pipe reskin mod out here. What the shit is this mod? What the? This is so cursed. Assembler passer. Well, I'll be so quick. What the? More pipes to ground. What? Wait a minute. We can't technically make cross pipe work. We can make cross pipe work in vanilla Factorio, I think. Maybe? I don't know. Maybe the engine doesn't allow it. Wait. Oh, there's like a rainbow one. What is this? Link chest, link pipe. Ooh. Pipe meter. Circuit network. Okay. Pipe plus. This seems better. Okay, what the heck? That's a little bit too weird. Elevated pipes. What? Okay, what is this? Wait a minute. Hold up. This is exactly what we need. This is exactly what we need in in the Enfield mod. What? Okay, maybe I should ask them for the visuals. How does it work? Not gonna lie, this is not great for visual clarity, but it looks absolutely hilarious. Just like the Enfield pipes. This is pretty good, actually. How many pipe like visuals are there? I don't think there's that many, right? Pipe. Oh no. Pipe.png icons. Quite a lot of them. Actually, not too many. Pipe corner. Okay, the four corners. Then there's a cross section. Ending down. Ending left. Ending right. Ending up. Horizontal window. Okay. Pipe straight vertical single. Okay, this is a single pipe. Vertical window. Straight vertical. Oh, I see. Some of these are just horizontal. And the vertical needs variation for what? Okay. Why is the window? Wait, what's the window background for? Don't get it. T down. T left. Okay. Oh, there is a vertical window background. Theme. Oh, just when Steam is in it. Visualizing. Oh, it's a visualizer. Oh, interesting. I think we can make a pipe set, I guess. Okay, I don't know about these. What are these for? Seems like a scrolling texture inside the pipe. Oh, this is when pipe is broken. Background. Hmm. Alright, let's just search up where this is actually used. I don't know. Let's copy it. Pipe pictures. This is where it is. Okay, so it is just pretty much mapped. Oh my goodness, what the heck? Oh, the visualization is just getting the correct hit list from the. Okay. So this is for pipe pictures. Uh-huh. Interesting. Pipe cover pictures. What is this? Oh no. Okay, I see. So the pipe, you can't do cross pipes. That's sad. I don't think you can ever do pipe connections that goes across each other. Or actually, what if it's just a 1x1 machine that have fluid pass through? It might just work. I think it might just work. I think it might just work. Pipe cover. Oh no. Pipe cover. Pipe to ground only has 4 variant. Not bad. Okay, so technically we can make our own pipe set and reskin everything to match the style, but that is actually like a ton of work. This is not easy at all. And where is this even anchored? I have no idea. Like if I want a pipe, oh never mind. This is attached to assembly machine, I think. Yeah. All right, I just need to get the cover pictures. Okay, I'll think about the pipes. Is quite a lot of work, but that's just like graphics. I also wonder, I saw a field in the mod API that's active. drop off the picture. Let's actually try it. I'm curious what it does. Like moving this to active picture. Surely this is gonna work, right? Okay, looks like everything is normal like before, but I'm guessing if I put it on one that's not connected to anything, what? It still shows. What? So this light is always on anyways. What's the point of having it then? Active picture. Is there a button to disconnect it? Oops. Oh wait. Why does it have? Why is it? Oh, I have global network enabled, don't I? Yeah, I do. Okay. It's 0, but it's still activate. What? Why? What? The heck? How the glow is supposed to be, dude? Sent form. Search. Nobody has ever searched for active picture. Wonderful. So this is pretty much useless then. I don't get it. Or did it just not load? Wait, it definitely loaded because it's drawing. Probably some features that nobody used and nobody tested. Or maybe I can try to disable this entity. Maybe that's why. This rotate so funny. Fire dot. It's not active. So what? Why is it still glowing? What? Is this feature even like working or not? Wrong about the electric pole is network. Wait. I mean, doesn't a this is so weird. A electric plug, I mean, electric pole prototype has to be connected to a electric network, right? It's automatically assigned. Let me just ask on Discord. I'm a little bit confused. Bruh. Yeah, I don't know about the electric network thing. Oh, I'm so sleepy. I might just go back to sleep. Good enough progress today. Wait a minute. Hold up. I think the lights are not quite right. The heck? Yo. There's an issue. Yeah, this one is correct, but did I mess up something? This one looks fine. why is the heck? Oh, wait. Okay, I was using the layers, right? Or so the active picture does not support different layers. I mean, different directions at all. Okay, it's right now. It's correct. That is weird. Can you even connect copper wire with other things? So technically I can have a random entity that just can connect to wires. And somehow open this tab when clicked. I don't know. Yeah, good enough for today. I'm gonna stream later or just do some stuff off stream. Bye.